Namaste. Welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today, let's understand the major problem of site extension in the southwest direction. See, many people, I have visited many sites. What is the mistake they do is, so inside the house, so they correct the proper flow of Vastu, they do properly. When it comes to the compound, okay, when it comes to the compound, suppose this is your compound wall. So what they do, southwest extension like this. Okay. So southwest extension, they will not even worry or bother about this, whatever the southwest extension of the site, but they concentrate only on the internal wall. So you imagine that this is the only vastu I made correct. I don't bother this outer, whatever the southwest extension, you are making a blunder mistake, my dear friends. Suppose if you are already having these kind of sites, which you have an extension of the southwest, you will be facing lot of negative energy. What is that negative energy that you may face? You may, whatever you earn, you cannot withstand, or you cannot make a profit of, you cannot make a savings. Whatever you are earning, money comes and money goes, money comes and money goes. And this southwest zone belongs to the head of the family, the person who earns, who takes care of the family. Head of the family faces lot of financial losses. He will go and invest in some other land and he will go under loss. And head of the family face health issues like lower part of the body. He may fall again and again sick, he may fall ill, he may meet with lot of accidents, or he may fall down. This kind of negative will happen when you extend this southwest. And also, you whatever you want to next prosper, if you are a builder, say like you want to construct more land, you will not get any kind of support, since this is extension is there. This southwest belongs to the earth element. Related to earth, you can't do any kind of business, any kind of land related, you cannot do anything. And in this building, even I have seen houses who has made vastu complaint inside, but still they face lot of problem, lot of, even the southwest extension, half feet extension, you really can't bear the energy of the southwest. Who is there in the southwest? As I told you, Rahu Maharaj is there. He is very, very powerful. Even half feet extension we cannot bear. We feel like getting out of the house, we feel like running out of the house. We can't even bear that negative energy which impacts so much. So what is the solution? Suppose if you have a southwest extension, so very scientific pyramids that you can install and really make a correction and save yourself. So what you can do is, suppose this is your extension. From the southwest, you can just create one line, okay, like this. So whatever the extended part, we will definitely disconnect with the pyramids. This pyramids acts as in connectivity and corrects your house energy flow. So like this, we will install the pyramids all over. You can, after that, whatever the extension will be disconnected, you can definitely come out of this, the small only, but makes a big impact in your life. You can come out of all these financial losses, health issues because of this one correction. So if you need more guidance, more information regarding this, any kind of site visit, commercial, residential vastu, you can contact to the below numbers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.